a company leading a new paradigm beyond the limits of technology. A company that creates human-oriented technology. The flight of DAEWON Forging for a new leap begins. Now that 25 years have passed since its foundation in 1997, the technology of DAEWON Forging lies in the automobile parts that lead the world. DAEWON Forging, which is striving for quality and customer satisfaction even at this moment, is realizing a new leap forward for the era of eco-friendly vehicles through ceaseless innovation and continuous R&D. DAEWON Forging, which has a lot of certifications, intellectual property rights, and awards based on differentiated technology, produces the major parts of automobiles and industrial machinery and supplies the highest quality products to global partners. Automobile parts produced by DAEWON Forging are chassis modules and powertrain parts. The yoke as an automobile steering system part, the socket as a steering part, the hub as a wheel bearing part, the spindle that supports the axle and drum in the axle housing, and the shaft, yoke shaft, that balances the vibration of the car body with its material cost reduced due to vertical forging production, aluminum nozzles for hydrogen-fueled vehicles applied to eco-friendly vehicles, and aluminum cases for front and rear camera lenses, and eccentric bushes, which are motor parts for electric vehicles. Besides, the company is working to expand the production of defense products. In line with the eco-friendly automobile era, we are innovating forged products. DAEWON Forging, whose operation ranges from forging to precision machining, has a variety of presses and machining equipment ranging from 200 tons to 1,600 tons. Especially, the company characteristically reduced heating costs and improved productivity by heating the tip of the 1,300-ton transfer line. Moreover, the newly introduced 1,500-ton hydraulic press line realizes large forgings and high-tech aluminum forgings. Our products, which go through optimal design and systematic production, has the highest quality. DAEWON Forging's items, which satisfy all the requirements of automobiles, even in 1,000,000 rotations and twists among other various harsh conditions, are recognized for their technological prowess at home and abroad. DAEWON Forging is making a new leap forward through its R&D strategy for eco-friendly vehicles, all the while making forged products lighter through continuous R&D and excellent technology. The best technology and a burning passion for customer satisfaction. Our initiative to add value to technology represents the hope of tomorrow. For a new leap forward, DAEWON Forging.